Weekly recap on Sunday, March 8th, 2026. Starting out with a broad view of the S&P 500. The market is trying to resolve below the 150-day SMA. When switching over to a weekly view, this is the first weekly close below the 20-week moving average, with the next point the 50-week moving average at 6,400. The last close below had several weeks lower in 2025. Switching over to the market profile, you can see that we are just below prior balance areas, with a simple test of 6,615, a minor pullback in the grand scheme. However, the upside structure from 6,300 to 6,500 is relatively thin, and profound weakness to 6,235, a 10% pullback, reasonable time to consider a bounce. Switching over to the Nasdaq, it has had a distinctively hard time moving lower. Normally, this pattern resolves with a short squeeze higher, but every attempt was met with more selling. Break lower to 585 would be unsurprising. When looking at the VIX, there was a strong weekly close just under 30 on Friday afternoon. Upside targets are 34, 41, and the 49. Gold had a breakout of its large range to the upside. It has since pulled back into that range and is building again just above it. It looks bullish with above 5,150, with upside targets of 5,250, then 5,320. Crude oil has gone significantly higher and tagged multiple points of control. Further upside is expected. Once clearing 93, we could go as high as 108, and after that, 122. Bitcoin has gone nowhere and had a failed upside breakout above 73,000. It is back in its large range, and rotating lower to 61,500 wouldn't be surprising. A few charts for earnings this week. Oracle announces after-market close on Tuesday afternoon, with upside targets of 167, 192, and ultimately a gap fill at 218 could be possible. That's all for this weekend. Good luck to all.